In this video, I'll show you one SB promo code to use in Nepal. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you're in Nepal and looking for a promo code to use, this is exactly what you should do. First thing, come to this home page and then click on registration. In registration, you're going to choose the third option that says by email. That is the only option that is going to allow you to activate and use a promo code. Fill in your surname and your name and your country you're going to use in Nepal. Once you search Nepal, your currency is also going to change to the Nepalese rupee. Fill in your date of birth, your email address, phone number, and create a password using these four requirements. After creating your password, in this box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, one expert is going to give you a 200% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit 1,000 Nepalese rupee, you're going to receive 3,000 as a bonus. Once that is done, click on register and complete your first deposit immediately. After completing your first deposit, you're going to receive your bonus sent to your account. And this is a promo code to use if you're in Nepal.